Third day after that really bad seizure, which is probably particularly bad because I think that was the first time he has experienced one at night, and I was not here. And it has taken him longer than usual to regain his confidence. Although by yesterday he had regained most of his balance and motor coordination, his confidence was lacking. This morning I wake up to a very, very, very snarky bird demanding that I put his food back in its usual place. So as you can see, he is now on his perch and happily eating. So it's usually after a seizure, the effects, if you're there and you can restrain them and they are not scared of hurting themselves or have not hurt themselves, the motor coordination is lost, but it doesn't last more than maybe a few hours, at max. This time it has taken a lot longer and really taken a knock on his confidence. But even so, after 3 days, there you go. This is Paddy after a particularly bad seizure. Back on his perch, feeling confident, with attitude. Oh, he would not have it next to the platform anymore today. He went straight to these perch and sort of like demanded that I put it there. Cheeky bird. And his appetite again is back. Now I've got to see if I can learn how to combine videos, because you don't want to see this again. Saying again, this is the third day now. Yes, baby, I'm happy. Let's just try and stop it happening again, shall we? See, those are the bird call alarms that I have going off. In the morning I have 3 that go off. 1, he knows the times now as well, so he often responds to them before they start. But he does seem to find them soothing. One thing you've got to be very careful about, especially if you have a bird on their own, is there are some very well-meaning videos on YouTube with teals and budgies chattering. But very often, even though you might not notice it immediately, he certainly will, that there are baby birds in the background. Noise. And when a bird is alone, especially one that has ever tried to breed or has ever been broody, the sound of those baby birds, it's just designed to destroy some cardboard. Can really, really stress them out. And I mean totally stress them out. So as a rule, I would just say, just don't do it. Don't do cockatiel or budgie sounds, especially if your bird is alone. Okay, Paddy, we're going to leave you destroying cardboard. Well, why don't you come out here and try to find that millet that I put on the end of this ramp thing? Nope, at the moment not interested. There's just destruction. Okay, I will leave you with that. Bye everyone, take care, and he still has not whistled.